Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2713. Today's date is 21 April 2022. It's almost like 2023, yes. It's almost like 9:15 p.m. Okay. रात्रीचे 1:15 वाजलेत. Alright, so almost like 2 hours ago, I recorded Artifact episode. Okay, I record Artifact episode about sex and fantasy and things like that. Okay, and I was very much curious about the things that I didn't really talk about such thing before in Artifact episode. All right, so I am not gonna sure that what should I talk in this Artifact episode because of that. Ki I already talked everything about previous Artifact episode about. I already talk about a- all the sex fantasy in previous Artifact episode. What I want, what I is this thing, and I just still wanted to talk more. I don't know, but I just don't know the thing. So I just wanted to talk more about this thing. All right, but not in the Artifact episode, but with a person about things is that he like I don't know, yaar. Like basically, na. Let me tell you one thing. Okay, why in like basically? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Ki right now in April 2023, okay, India is became the most populated country in the world. That means we have highest number of people in India. So what I'm trying to tell you that ki like in India, why does people don't really talk about sex? They do sex. They do sex obviously like because of this why like this country has the largest population in the world, yeah, so they do sex, that is for sure is that, but people don't really talk about sex in India. Okay, okay, I am not counting entire India. I'm just like assume the thing the where I live in the society. We don't really talk about such thing in here. Why is that? What is the reason behind it? Okay, so just if you have to conclude that, if you have to go through that question, try to analyze what does other countries, what does in people of other country, what does they talk they, like did they talk very bluntly about this sex and everything, like basically na, like India get always get a blame that key people in India don't really talk about sex that much. Does that mean that people in all around the world they talk so much about the sex, they are really open about it? Well, some of the countries are very open, but some of the countries are not really open about the sex and everything. Okay, let's just talk to the US. All right, in the United States, people are did really does they talk about sex? Uh, sex. Yeah, they do talk about the sex. I don't know. Yeah, it's just like. Uh, I never really been. I never really seen the culture of United States. What does people, and as also the whatever the interference that I get, the whatever the observation that I get, like what is exactly the U.S. okay United States and what does people over there. I get all those reference from the movies and web series, which is not a truly, which is not true face of United States. It's not okay. Like basically ना फिल्मों में and television में जो दिखाया जाता है, it's not entirely up to the truth. Okay, the real face is something really different. Okay, so uh, I don't really know about the US and Europe and everything, but I'm sure is that the they are quite open, more than, not sure but more than in India. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली कि हम इंडिया में जिस तरह से सेक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, दे टॉक इवन मोर in US. That is one thing for sure. I didn't really know about too much about things. All right, but let's just discuss that ki why in India we are not really talk about sex and things. All right, let's just talk about yourself. Okay, like besides this artifact episode, did you talk about this artifact episode in any one person? Well, friends में with the friend, yeah, I talk, but those are the conversation are bit really funny. Okay, and they are not serious. Okay, like education and everything. In India, with a friend, with a male friend, they talk about kind of like a something really funny way. They are not bit really serious about this thing. So and this shouldn't count, like basically ना कि दोस्तों में मजाक मजाक में आप ऐसे सेक्स के बारे में बात करते हो तो वो मजाक ही रहता है. ओके, in the end, so that is not a true sex communication at all. No, not even, like I am not counting as education, but the communication, yeah. So you can get the point that he was trying to say, and you get the point that she was trying to say. It just, that is called the communication. It didn't really happen in India. But why? What is the reason behind it? Okay. uh One thing for I'm gonna tell you is that ki in US, in United States, I'm actually comparing US with India most of the time. All right, uh, to to elaborate my point very clearly. All right, so first of all, in the US, okay, uh, has a family. Okay, like it has a family like a mother, father, okay, and the two brother, two sister, or brother, sister. Okay, those are the families. After some certain age, okay, the child, they actually, they actually not live with their parent parents, yeah, even if they got a job or not get a job. Okay, but after some certain age, like after 20s or after 18s or 20, okay, at the age of 20, they are not live with their parents. Okay, and they are very open up about it. Okay, like after you cross 18 or after you cross 20, after you eligible to do your things by yourself, all right, they are actually with move away from the parents, and they live alone. They live with this room. They figure out their own. Okay, they figure out their expenses, they figure out that they do job, and they do lots of stuff as also. Okay, sometimes they have to do studies, but they went somewhere else. Okay, yeah, that doesn't mean that the child and their parents, they are not connected. Yeah, they are connected in some sort of festival or wedding. They came, they celebrate, but not, they are not live each other as a parents and child. After some certain age, they are not live with each other. All right, like what is exactly matter, like is this actually really importance in the conversation of the sex and things like that? Yeah, it is really important. Yeah. Let's just compare US with India. In India, the family is actually very much collide. Okay, like basically na ki if a child gets opportunity to work some sort of other place where parents can't live with child, then child is actually further away from the parents. Okay, yes, that is the only reason. Like basically in India ना, यहाँ पे लोग, यहाँ पे जो बच्चे होते हैं वो पेरेंट्स से इतना ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड रहते हैं कि I don't know how should I explain. Right now I just wanted to explain things, but I didn't really get it. Like I'm actually thinking something different and I'm talking something really different right now. So I am bit really fumble. I'm talking. I am not really focused on the things that I wanted to say, but let's just be focused. Okay, let's just okay. Like if I didn't really focus, that's why I just bit really fumble. All right. So things that I wanted to say is that the parents, the family in India, they are actually very collide. Okay, and as a child they didn't really went far away from their parents. Okay, the only reason they far away from their parents is because of their job and things like that. Because of that is only one reason they will far away from the parents. Okay, besides that they will stay rest of their life with their parents, rest of their life. Yes, I'm talking about entire life. Yeah, like after the marriage, after everything, because we are actually very much collide with their parents. Okay, and this is actually culture from the beginning. From the beginning, yes, like basically now, from the historic, like I'm talking about almost like from Gautam Buddha or before that. Okay, the families are actually very much collide. Kaka, mama, kaku, atya, bua, everything. So that's why we have a kind of like a something really word for relation. Okay, like this is the kaka, this is the kaku, this is the atya, this is the mami, this is the mamaji. Okay, all those things. In US these words doesn't really exist. Okay, what is a word for father's brother in English? Just try to Google it. There is no word. It is kind of like a, most of people say uncle. Yeah, like uncle, but it's not specifically like uncle means kaka, but they use that term for the most of the people. Okay, like uncle for something like a brothers of mother, like a aika, like brothers. It just like they use this term for multiple time. Okay, so it's not kind of like a really specific name. In India we have very specific name, like this is the काका, म्हणजे वडिलांच्या भावाला काका म्हणतात, आईच्या भाऊला मामा म्हणतात. ओके, आईच्या मामाच्या मामाच्या बायकोला मामी म्हणतात, काकाच्या बायकोला काकू म्हणतात. सो वी हॅव काइंड ऑफ लाईक दोज रिलेशन्स. ओके, देन काकापासून जो मुलगा निघतो तो काकू, तो एक प्रकारे कझनच आहे. या दॅट इज अ कझन. ओके, आय डिडंट रिली नो. आय एम ऑल्सो बॅड इन द रिलेशन, बट स्टील या, इन इंडिया वी हॅव दॅट वर्ड काके भाऊ, आतो भाऊ, just so many things, so many things. Okay, but in the US it doesn't really have that culture. In US they didn't really have that. They are just kind of like a focus on just mother and father. That's it. Mostly they are focused on like he is my mother, it's like she is my mother, he is my father. That's it. Okay, like besides that they didn't really have any relation. And as also is that ki because of in India we are actually very collide with each other, like not only the one family but also the kaka, mama, kaku, everything. We are actually very collide. So because of that, okay, we actually know to each other. Okay, like a brother of my father is actually very much connected. Okay, brother of my mother is actually very much connected. Okay, like this is the kaka, mama. But in US as a child they didn't really know that they have a kaka or they have an uncle, they have something like that, ki a brother of my father or mother of my father. They didn't really know unless they have some sort of work to do with them. Besides that it's just nothing really at all. Nothing really at all. At the wedding they are met once, then khatam vishay. Yeah, that's it. So basically is that ki in the US doesn't really have that relation. But does like basically why is this kind of like a something really important in the in the sex education? Why? So in India, because of we are actually very much collide with each other, we didn't really talk about sex in parents, with parents, with anything at all. Yeah. Why? Because of that, ki it's kind of like a something really layer between me and my parents, or me with my relatives, is that ki what type of thing that should I share with that particular person. Okay, like मान लीजिए like this is my mama. Okay, and what kind of thing that should I share. I will share that काका कसा आहे, मामा कसा आहे, झालं का जेवण पाणी वगैरे. ओके, अँड देन कसं मग तुझं जॉब कसं सुरू आहे, हां ठीक आहे, एव्हरीथिंग इज गुड ग्रेट. ओके, लाईक देअर आर काइंड ऑफ लाईक समथिंग रिली कॅज्युअल टॉक. ओके, लाईक दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ लाईक अ थिंग. इफ समथिंग इज बिटरली कॉमन इज दॅट की मामा परवाच्या दिवशी तो माणूस मेला होता, तू त्याला ओळखतं का, अरे हो तो गावचाच व्यक्ती होता, तू ओळखतो का, हो तो माझ्या जॉबमध्ये सोबत होतो, अरे असं कसं रे, हो तो मेला तो, अरे बापरे. So this is kind of like something really common conversation between the kaka or mama or me or something like that. Okay, but should you talk about your sex life with your mama? का मामा, मी एका मुलीला बघितलं होतं, त्या मुलीला पाहिल्यानंतर बापरे काय मस्त वाटलं मला, मग मी त्या मुलीसोबत सेक्स केलं. Can you have that much conversation with your mama? Obviously not. Like you can't be even communicate with your brother as also. आप ना अपने भाई के साथ भी ऐसा कम्युनिकेशन नहीं करोगे इन इंडिया. यस, हाँ दोस्तों के साथ हाँ चलो ठीक है भाई. मैं परसों के दिन उस लड़की को मिला, भाई क्या कड़क थी यार. आई अप्रोच हर एंड जस्ट लाइक आई वेंट एंड जस्ट लाइक डाउन. Alright. Okay, so yeah, दोस्तों के साथ yeah, that is the communication that I can do. Everyone can does that. But beside your friend, okay yeah, more or less you can talk about such thing with your brother. Okay, तेरा भाई से या इससे बात कर सकते हैं. But besides that, भाई और कज़न काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक हम उम्र एज के लोग होते हैं ना, उससे हम इजीली कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं समथिंग रिलेटेड लिटिल बिट ऑफ पर्सनल थिंग्स. ओके, बट भाई तू अगर काका से ऐसे बात करेगा, मामा से ऐसे बात करेगा, मामा यू कांट डू दैट. नो वन, एंड बेसिकली इन एनी कंट्री नो वन डज दैट. ओके, क्योंकि इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली लेयर्स ऑफ रिलेशंस. ओके, so we have to filter some sort of conversation. We can't talk such thing with your kaka, mama, not even the parents, such things. Okay, in US it's the same thing. Yeah, but I didn't really get it. Like basically is that having a big family, that means we can talk something really great, but it's just like that na, ki we haven't get that much space. Okay, space is really matter. What is mean by space? Space means like that ki in our India, from history of India, okay, as a women, they didn't really get a space. Yeah, like basically in India, men are always dominant. Okay, मर्द हमेशा, I don't know what is the word for dominant, but as a man always be dominant. Okay, in the family and things like that, you haven't seen a family that female is a dominant. No, very rare, very rare. Okay, but most of the time as a man is always be dominant. Okay, towards the family, in the members of the family and everything. All right, so because of that, as a woman he is always literally claustrophobic. Like in and the history, yeah, basically my mother, my mother of my mother is always be claustrophobic. She didn't really have kind of like a space, so she can talk about that key, talk about sex, no, nothing at all. Okay, at that time there is no kind of like a sex and fantasy at all. At that time now there is only one thing that people know, is that ki this is the penis, this is the vagina, you just have to put it, khatam. After a 3 months you will get the, after a 9 months you will get the baby, khatam vishay. Okay, there is no sex, there is no fantasy at all. Okay, like basically na in India the culture of the condom begins since 2010. Yeah, culture, I'm talking about culture. Does that condom is actually available since 1998, 1999, like 1993. Okay, it's actually, yeah, but people don't really talk about such things. It's a bit really taboo. What do you mean by taboo? Taboo means like the things is not really talk about with other people. All right, So yeah, condom is exist almost like a 30 years since 1995. Oh, yeah, I don't know, I didn't really know, but yeah, but the people are talking about the condom since 2010, or maybe I'm not really sure about the specific date or specific year, but still I'm saying that when the people got really digitalized means people are talk, people went away, and people will understand, and people and figure it out by their own, then they will talk about such things with a condom and things like that. So in India, people are usually talk about condoms since 2010, 2010 or everything. I'm not really specific, but yeah, kind of like on that specific date or time. All right. In US, people talk about condom since 18, so since 1995, or way before that as also. Yeah, because they have kind of like a really open culture at all. They didn't really have kind of like a something really family restriction, because they didn't really have a family, so they didn't really have any restriction. So having not a restriction, that means they will get a space means like they can talk, they can explore themselves even more further about their creativity, everything, and has also, because there is no restriction at all, as also you have to figure it out your life. Okay, and once you figure it out, then you can do anything at all, because after some certain age you are not living with your parents, so you can do whatever you want. Okay, so you will get that opportunity, and when as a person get that opportunity as a freedom, okay, that person can explore everything. Okay, not just a sex but everything, as a creativity, as a person who wanted to be. Okay, and US has a kind of like always have that plus point, that people are not really connected with that much, so will they get a space, and they talk something really about that sex and things like that, as a condom and everything. Okay, and they have kind of like a something really multiple partner. Okay, in India, yeah, still couples in India. Wait, something really stuck in my teeth. Okay, so uh in India, okay, uh fuck, I forget my point. What is my point? uh yeah, they will get the opportunity alone and things like that, so they will explore all those creativity and everything. Okay, so having that no more restriction, then they can do so many things. Okay, in India we are actually very much restricted with all those things. We don't really get a space. I'm just okay, let me give you example by myself. Okay, I am 29, close to almost 30. All right, I am almost 30. I am still living with my parents, with my sister, my parents, okay, with my Aji, okay, almost like a 100 meters away. My mote mote vadil lives very close to me. Mote vadil means my uh, brother, big brother of my father, that is called Mote vadil. Then Moti Ai, okay, okay, then Samir Dada, okay. Then I have a cousin who lives almost like a 500 meters away. Okay, bit too. 500 meters away, there is a Sonutai, her Sasar, Bhauji was also there. Then my brother, Bittu, his wife, Vaini. Okay, yeah. We are actually very much close. Okay, yeah. So, but does this actually affect with the communication of the? Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, it is actually like basically ना it's a like एक चीज होती है ना कि um like you will get those sex is a kind of like something really like in the syllabus we don't really have a sex education. There is no book in the syllabus that you can you have a kind of like little bit of syllabus about things that you, this is the penis, this is the vagina, this is that. No, we don't have a particular subject in reproduction, which is really necessary. But why in our education curriculum syllabus, why don't really have it's a bit really kind of like a something really issues. Okay, but does this syllabus have in another country? um, they have a syllabus called biology. Okay, in that biology there is a specific chapter about the human reproductive services, human reproductive things. All right. Okay. uh, but yeah, you can study even more further when you do as a mbbs, when you do as a doctorate degree, then you study even more further, because you have a career in particular field in that sexology thing. So then you have to study even more further. But for the basic education means standard 1 to standard 12. Okay, in India we have that's kind of like a standard 1 to 12. Okay, so we don't really have kind of like a something really sex education. Okay, and as also that is kind of like a very important stage. Okay, that people actually very much fucked up because they didn't really knew it, how should we proceed and things like that. So that's why people are actually exploring another stuff like in the YouTube or anything. In the YouTube specific creator, they talk about such thing about what is that, what is this, what is that, and all right. But in India, will it be always kind of like a thing? Always, I'm not sure always. Why? Okay, I'm not saying that because it's a kind of like something really like a, if you look from the perspective from the higher ground now, then you actually feel it's the same thing. Okay, in UP, Bihar and everything, like a, if you went to the non-urban area, then people are always like people are still 10 years behind. Okay, but if you went to the metro city like Bombay, Pune, Delhi, metro city, okay, then people are very open up. They have multiple partners, they have things, they this, it's kind of like a something really, they are in the, they are in this world. They are not in the past, they are actually in this world. All right. So yeah, like basically because of such families and restriction and not getting space about the things, uh, yes, because of this thing na, I am guessing that um, we don't have that much liberty to talk about sex. if, if I compare to the US. Okay, US, Europe has the same culture. Okay, yeah, like at, I'm not saying that ki 100 out of almost like 100 of parents, they far away from their child. No, no, like some certain child they are stay with their parents. Okay, but most of the child they actually not stay with their parents at, after some sort of age, they went away, they figure it out by their themselves. Okay, and is this kind of like something really good? Okay, like being a parents, you have to control your parents till the rest of the life. Is it kind of like something really essential? Well, I'm talking about from my perspective, my point. I'm not really sure am I right or wrong, but this is my point. One thing is that he, when you have a freedom, when you have freedom means like that ki you have to do figure it out by, or you by on yourself, that ki what should you have to do on your life, with your life. Okay, if you have that liberty, that means you are actually explore yourself, that why are you on this planet and what you want it to be in your life. Okay, when you have that freedom na, you will figure it out. In the end na, we are human. Okay, and we still need a food for twice in a day at least. Okay, for that you need to earn money. Okay, and when you start earning money, then you will get little bit of confidence that yes, I can do that. And it's a kind of like a something really multiple experience. Okay, you do a job, you get a job, you suck at that job, you got an experience, you figure out that you figure out yourself that key, this is the mistake that I did and I don't want to make that same mistake. So you find another job, you find things. Okay, and then the bunch of experience of batch of experience after some sort of age, after the age of almost like a 25, 27, whatever it is. Okay, you actually independent, you have kind of like a stable job and things like that, and then you will find a particular person that you can spend entire life with her, and then you married. Okay, by on your own. Yeah, in the wedding, as a bride and groom can decide the person who can sit. Yeah, basically is that. Let me tell you one thing. In the wedding, okay, as the parents can decide when, where, how will wedding happen. But in the US, bride and groom, they only decide that okay, how their wedding should be and where it would be and how much money and catering and everything, they decide that. Okay, as also India, in wedding we are actually very much kind of like a something really restricted, that ki we have to married with the specific caste and specific religious and everything. But in the US there is no religious, like yeah, it has a religious called Christianity, but people don't really follow that much. Okay, and mostly there is only one religion that they have is a Christianity, but India has a multiple things. All right, so is that in the US they married anyone what they want. Okay, they can marry anyone with anyone as also. Okay, even if they comfortable everything. Okay, even they are comfortable. Yes, yes. But in the India, no, just we have to find a specific person in our specific caste and group, and then we'll proceed further. So it's a yeah. Does I don't know, yeah, it's just kind of like a something really not so sure. What does people think? What does people not really think? Just okay. So oh boy, fucked up. So this is it. This is the end. Like today I talk so much about the sex and fantasy and things like that, and just it just. But like I already mentioned why I talk about such thing. Like I get so little bit of okay. I am not dude ना कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि if you talk about something really very educational stuff, okay, like today I listen, today I understand about the sex education and things like that. Okay, so because of that ना मैं इतनी सारी ऐसे झाड़ रहा है मैं कि ये ऐसा होता है sex and things and just like yeah so many things. Okay. And why I'm talking about such thing, because I haven't really get to know about such thing before. मैंने कभी पैगिंग के बारे में नहीं जाना था, मैंने कभी इसके बारे में फैंटेसी के बारे में नहीं जाना था. मैं ये सोचता था, आई वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट, आई वॉज थॉट अबाउट दैट कि this is actually happened with this actually happened with a kind of like a something really, I don't know, kind of like a something really fantasy people does something like that, normal people didn't really do something like that. But I am completely wrong, legit wrong. I am not gonna show is that the person next to me are doing thing because it's a very private thing, and yes, they do such thing. Yeah, they do such thing. Did you get it? So it's not about that ki uh, who is actually doing it. It's about that ki everyone is doing it. Okay, so your assumption is really wrong. The fantasy is, and it's a really good thing. Okay, yeah. And I will also proceed like when I do, you have to figure out by your own. You are close to 30, you are not get a job, you have only 43 subscribers. How, just focus on yourself, dude. All right, yeah, this is it, this then, thank you.